Welcome to MacLean Power Systems, Newberry, South Carolina. With over 35 years of fiberglass pultrusion experience, we now specialize in the production of the UV Max crossarms and fiberglass rod for brackets, guy strain insulators, and transmission insulators. Our plant features over 55,000 square feet of manufacturing space, a state-of-the-art testing facility, and over 10,000 square feet of material warehousing space. With 147 MacLean members working round the clock on a newly converted J.D. Edwards ERP production system, we ensure our customers' needs are met. All of our MacLean fiberglass products are assembled in America and are RUS approved. Pultruding over 200,000 miles of fiberglass strands each year into crossarms, MacLean sets the standard for durability and longevity, delivering the longest life product in the industry. Each year, we manufacture hundreds of thousands of crossarms, with plans to continue expanding capacity as demand in the market increases. Through our enhanced safety and production processes, we are proudly the market leader in utility crossarms. Our production process begins with hundreds of individual spools of fiberglass that are dredged through a custom-formulated resin bath. The resin formulation utilized at MacLean provides strength, UV protection, and fire resiliency to the arm. The resin-coated fiberglass is then run through a forming tool where heat will be induced to create the pultruded arm form, which we call the stick. The fiberglass sticks are then brought to the foaming cell, where we will fill each stick with a foam formulation to ensure wildlife can't burrow inside the arm. Our Duralock end caps mechanically lock into the beam at this step as well, greatly reducing end cap failures and providing a clear visual indicator of the arm profile. Quality checks are completed throughout every step of the manufacturing process, as well as daily testing on the completed arms. Our updated quality lab and testing facilities are capable of all industry testing requirements, and we are regularly challenging the limits of our arms. Once the sticks are foamed, they are transferred to one of our drill cells for their customized drill pattern. Then, at the final stage of the assembly, center mount braces and hardware are affixed. MacLean's design optimizes every aspect of the arm, even with our distinct hardware. Our patented washers on our dead end line force stress to the edge of the profile, ensuring the arms aren't damaged in the installation process. Our round center mount washers have safety and time savings in mind, as they are always flush and have no pointed edges, eliminating potential for snags. At MPS, we believe all incidents are preventable. We believe no job is so important and no task is so urgent that we cannot do our work safely. We believe in protecting ourselves and each other every day. At MacLean Fog, safety is a way of life. For this reason, MacLean's Quality Assurance Lab conducts 48 resin batch tests daily. Further tests we perform daily are loading and deflection testing, 50,000-pound three-point bend tests, guy hull strength rating, extensive UV testing, and hydrophobicity testing. We understand how critical it is for utilities to get back online after unplanned outages. Because of this, our storm mitigation plans can't stop at our industry-leading storm response. This facility has an electrical generator capable of supporting production for every machine in the plant, should power go down locally. MacLean Power Systems demonstrates a high-quality approach and commitment to safety, setting a new industry standard by transforming the fiberglass crossarm to meet a changing and evolving world. With 3 layers of UV coverage and fire resiliency protecting every arm from harsh environmental conditions, the life of these crossarms extend 60+ years, ranging from 5 to 20 feet. With a plethora of hardware configurations and pole mounting options, MacLean's crossarms are sure to meet your application needs. Visit us at macleanpower.com to learn more today.